Okay, sawa. Yani anauliza hii mambo ya sasa siasa imekuwa biashara. How can we deal with that? Okay, thanks. You can pass it. We'll just take a few questions because of time. How much?
Hi everyone. I'm Brian from Community Voices. I had, is it Clarice? Yeah, the lady in white, say that women are forgotten after elections, and she's thinking of how they can ensure continuation of participation after elections. This is the way. If you want to continue to participate, then it's as simple as vie for those positions as women. You do not need somebody to represent you. Represent yourselves, go for those positions. Do not wait to be represented. It's as simple as such. Yesterday I was in one of the political booths, and I was talking to I was having a discussion with one of the political parties there, and they made something clear. They said that corruption can't end in Kenya because an MP's salary is not just his salary. It's a salary for the people. What does that mean? When an MP comes back home, everybody goes there na shida yake, anasema, my child has no school fees,